Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am going to start off my Christmas in July and just going to kind of see where it goes. Not that I won't do other things as well, but I thought I would try to give it a go. It's the first year that I've kind of planned a little. So today is going to be a little bit of a mishmash, but I did recently get these Anna Griffin French fan dies, and they are just beautiful. If you take a look at the back, this one kind of fits nicely on a 5x7 sheet, and then you get two other smaller ones, like the one I've used here is actually that one, and then you get the little tassel and the little little thing that you tie the tassel with. So I'm not going to use the tassel in the I'm not going to use those two parts today. I'm just going to use the one fan, and at the point of the fan I'm going to use an older Spellbinders poinsettia little add-ons that came with a larger slimline die, and stack those. And then I've got, for my base, I have a piece of beautiful Nina shimmer paper that I've just cut at 8x9, and on the 8 side I have scored in half at 4, and that makes a DL-ish, around that area, size DL, closer to a DL than a slimline, I guess is what I'm trying to say there, but it does fit this, which is actually from this die set called All Boxed In from Anna Griffin, and you can see it makes this nice, actually I have one here that's not finished yet, but it makes this nice box set that you can go, you know, put thicker things in. But I'm just going to use from the set, comes with all of this, which is fun, and from this set I'm using this ornate piece here. I wanted to show you those things, and if I could find those things, I will leave links down below, and I will make a on some of those things an affiliate commission, which doesn't cost you any extra money, but it does help support this channel and this artist. And even giving a like to this video, or even for that matter a dislike if you don't like it. Any interaction you can give really does help out a YouTube channel greatly. So let's get started. I already, like I said, had my card base, and of course you could put whatever sentiment inside, and I'm going to wait a little bit since I'm making this early, obviously, for Christmas. And then I'm going to just put this down. It's so pretty. It doesn't need much embellishment. You could certainly add layers to this. This is a super simple way to get a bunch of Christmas cards done. You know how it is. And we'll go ahead and put that down. Got my fan, so pretty. And again, that's out of that Nina shimmer. And I think I'm going to just layer it straight down. You could cut out some foam if you wanted to raise this up, or put little foam bits on some of these wider areas, but keeping it simple today. Okay, and then we have our Merry Christmas. And this is from Craftstash. If you're in the US, I think it's $80 or more. You get free shipping. It takes maybe a couple weeks. Sometimes I've gotten it in one, but a pretty good deal, and you can get reward points and so forth. So you can check them out. I have a link down below for my affiliate link there. Of course, if you change out the poinsettias and the sentiment, you can make this card a wedding card or whatever. All right, so I have one smaller one and one larger one, so I'm going to go ahead and layer those, and I think I'll put some Nouveau drops in the middle, and then offset this a little bit. And we have these little leaves. Make a beautiful card. You could do these in gold, would be pretty. I was trying to use up some scraps and things that I had in my ever continuing quest for cleaning. All right, so that's what we've got so far. Of course, you want that to dry thoroughly. And then in the middle, this is Harvest Moon from Tonic Studios. Obviously the glitter drops. And of course that's going to need to dry. So these are very much like a stickles. These glitter ones here. Clean that. I don't forget and stick something in it. And that's really all there is to it, guys. And this just fits in a regular DL envelope. The difference between, I always keep these on hand. These are like my little guides. This is a DL envelope here, and this is a slimline envelope. So you can kind of see the difference if I layer it. The slimline is slightly shorter and obviously slimmer. So just by maybe a ½ inch this way and a ½ inch that way is the difference. But if you can see that this card will fit, of course I don't want to squash my thing there, but this would fit more in the DL envelope size opposed to it would be too big for the slimline. So I hope that helps. I keep these in my craft room just to remind myself of sizes. And if you have the Anna Griffin boxed in, of course that would fit in there as well, and then you could make that super dimensional. And of course you could either pay a lot extra to mail that, or you, if you're handing a gift to someone, you could put all sorts of treats and gift cards and things in this. So if I can ever get that finished and get a video going. But anyway, super simple to assemble, and I think it makes a pretty and elegant Christmas card with the fan. No reason why we can't have fans at Christmas for the ornate, but certainly, like I said, you could change it out and make this as a wedding card or a bridal shower card or Mother's Day or what have you. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me, guys. You have a great day.